Hello, this video is about a DNS fix on Windows Server 2012 Essentials connected machines like this Yoga 13 we're looking at. So let's get started with the notification. If Update Rollup 3 recently hit you and you find you cannot surf the web, I'm going to show you the fix. All right, so if we look at this message here, you'll notice it doesn't display the pop-up unless you put it here. Let me show you. There we go. Restart computer to apply the connector updates. Now, to keep it from doing that in the future, should this ever come up, I don't need users seeing that or getting annoyed by it, so I can say hide icon and notifications for that particular pop-up. All right, that's just a minor thing. But next, let's bring up the article that explains this Update Rollup 3 business. Gives a little background. And on the server, I will go ahead into Windows Update, and I can see that this KB is already installed. Let's go and check out so we can skip past the server-side registry fix. That's already been done. And it doesn't do me much good in existing clients anyway. It's really the client-side registry fix that we need at this point. So let's now, on the Yoga, Windows plus R, run the registry editor on the Yoga. Windows plus R, regedit, hit enter. Let's go to the top. All right. HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Server, networking, server discovery. Put this in the clipboard, right-click here, and say string value. Get rid of the trailing space there. Hit enter twice. Type in true and hit enter. It's that easy. Hopefully you follow that. So we've made a registry key in this path that it told us to. This is Microsoft's article I'm quoting. Put a registry value of true for this string type we've added. Okay, so that'll take care of things after this tweak we've done. Let me explain. We're going to fix TCP/IP networking, make DNS right, and then restart the service, and it's no longer going to be hitting us with this error. Okay, so I'm going to add an additional step here. We've made the registry tweak, right? We don't want the registry getting in our way as we go and try to clean up TCP/IP next. So I can clone the registry editor. And this registry tweak we've made is not read by Windows until we restart the service that goes along with it. So Windows plus R, services.msc. Make sure we're running this as an admin. Windows Server LAN configuration. If I right-click it and hit restart, I have found after doing this on many different machines, it's no longer going to get in our way. So it's now successfully restarted, and now we can just go about our business of cleaning up networking, which is explained in this article that let me go back. Client-side TCP/IP reconfiguration explained here in this article, where I go through screenshot for screenshot exactly what to do. You get the general gist. I'm going to TCP/IP version 4 and changing it back to DNS being automatic. So here's what I'd like to do. I right-click on the Wi-Fi and the tray icon, then left-click Open Network and Share in Settings, and then go to Change Adapter Settings. That way we list out all our adapters. I want to make sure I clean them all up. Okay? Right-click, Properties, scroll down to TCP/IP version 4, double-click, and you'll see DNS has been altered. Hard-coded to point to my Windows Server 2012 Essentials box. That's a problem. If that box is offline, this machine will not be able to surf. It'll say no internet connection. Very annoying to the laptop user. we click OK and clean that up. And the nice thing is, because that service has been fixed, because the registry has been fixed, it's no longer going to, within a few minutes, change right back to that hard-coded DNS IP. Okay, we want to do that for any other adapters. If you have VMware, virtual NICs or something, you're going to want to tweak those as well, because all of them got touched. Okay, looks like Hamachi did not get touched, so we're going to leave that one alone. That's cool. And this is just a VPN connection. So for this particular machine, it was rather straightforward. It doesn't have gigabit Ethernet, right? Most machines would have Wi-Fi and wireless for you to touch at a minimum, as well as other adapters that you might not be using at the moment, because all physical adapters that were installed at one point have had their TCP/IP settings tweaked to this hard-coded IP. So this machine is done. How would you be convinced? Well, I've actually been talking for a little while, and we configured Wi-Fi over a minute ago. Normally the service would kick in and mess things up again. But now they're still good. This machine is surfing the web without doing name server lookups through my server. Instead, they're coming straight from my router, DHCP fed. Could convince yourself of that by doing Windows plus X, go to a command prompt, and type in ipconfig, and you'll see my IP and gateway. How about ipconfig/all? That way we can also see my DNS server. And my DNS server is now fed from my router. It's Google in my home, or Cox. So that's that. It worked. We no longer have some hard-coded DNS. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And thank you for watching and for visiting tinkertry.com.